Good morning. We are looking at some low clouds yet again this morning. It's a repeat of each day this week, essentially. We've been dealing with the cloud cover and some gray skies and rain chances, of course, and that's what we've got going on right now, is that chance for some rain. Some mist out there in Fargo at the moment, but the rain still not coming down just yet. It's still working its way in. So let's take a look at our radar. You can see that all of us are stuck under the clouds again here this morning, but in addition to that, we've got some rain down in the Southern Valley. Fargo, not quite seeing it just yet, but you can see just the little farther south you go, the more likely you are to be experiencing the rain. And it does stretch up toward the James River Valley. We've been seeing it for some time there, and back over into Lakes Country, especially Grant County and Traverse County, and now down toward Wahpeton, Breckenridge, and southern parts of Richland County especially. And it's just now lifting into Cass and Clay counties too. So you're going to start seeing this increase on the southern end of the metro here over the next half hour or so, and then eventually spreading over from there. So if you need to get going here this morning and want to avoid the rain, now's your chance. If you're in Fargo, you have more time. If you're a little farther north up in Grand Forks, it'll take a little longer to reach you, and just the Highway 2 corridor in general. So the system overall making its way to the north and east. We've got temperatures that are going to be into the 40s to some 50s as you step out the door right now. 53 degrees in Fargo, 52 in Grand Forks, upper 40s over to the east, and your wind speeds are getting up there. We're seeing some wind speeds into the 20s right now. A gust here in Jamestown to 26, and these will get stronger from here over the next 24 hours. Our visibility down out to the south and west. We're at 2.5 miles in Oaks, 3 in Gwinner, with that mist and the rain lifting into the valley. And by the time we get into the 7 o'clock hour, you can see the rain has advanced a little farther northward. We're dealing with it in Fargo, so unfortunately it's in time for that wait out at the bus stop, that drop off at school, and continues to move north from there as we head into the 9 o'clock hour. You'll see this spreading into Grand Forks at that point in time, or near that point in time, give or take an hour or so. Now this continues to move north from there. We've got some strong winds as we head into the afternoon, and we're seeing some conditions that are going to be windy, cool, raw, and wet. You can see that the heavier rain will have moved up to the north and east at that point in time. In the 4 o'clock hour, temperatures ranging from some upper 40s, so our temperatures perhaps going down up in Langdon and Devil's Lake, to some low to mid 60s in the south, where the rain may ease up a little bit earlier. Doesn't mean we'll be done with it. It's just that heavy, steady rain might take a break from the Southern Valley for a time. Heading into the 7 o'clock hour, still getting that rain up north, and then we start to see that wraparound moisture with this system work eastward overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. So still dealing with it in the 6 a.m. hour tomorrow, and this continues as we head into the 9 o'clock hour and beyond. In fact, as we look out to the west, you can see we've got some sunshine developing tomorrow around noon. Still have the showers, the clouds though, right along the Red River and east from there. The wind's still strong too, gusting into the 30s tomorrow morning and into the afternoon in the wake of this. Gradually though, it pulls away just slowly, and we see things quiet down from west to east. But some of us may spend the entire day stuck in the clouds, and that's going to be more likely in our eastern viewing area tomorrow. More places out west will see that sunshine. Heading into 10 o'clock though, we clear out and we set ourselves up for a great weekend. Here's a look at our rainfall potential though. Another colorful map here, and this one features a lot of yellow. And what that means is we look at our legend here, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. So a widespread area of potential rainfall that reaches an inch. So something to keep in mind if you've got concerns about this water coming in. And as we head into the weekend, we clear out. We're looking at some nice recovery happening, a pleasant weekend, some 70s. And then some summery conditions as we head into next week. We'll see temperatures in the low 80s starting on Monday. So looking pretty good, and I think we deserve that after the week we've been putting up with.
I agree. Thank you, Lisa. It's